Hello there, beautiful makers. Today I will show you how to make this easy 45-degree braid. Let's get started. This braid is much easier than the one I showed you in the previous tutorial. So take your right string and bring it behind the two in front of it, over and through the loop. Leave it aside. Next three, the right string goes under the two, over and through the loop. Bring it up. Next three, under, over and through the loop. Much easier. Under, over and through the loop. And on the other side, same gist. Left string under the two, over and through the loop. Next three, left string goes under, over and through the loop. Under, over, through the loop. Under, over, and through the loop. And here, well, you can do a square knot. Why not? And here you have it.